Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best carry-on luggage, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best carry-on luggage options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which carry-on luggage is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Travelpro Platinum Elite 21. Carry-on Spinner. Travelpro's Platinum Elite line of luggage is still our top pick after 10 years of testing. It addresses the concerns of most travelers for an affordable price while offering the best warranty against potential airline damage in the industry, as long as you register the luggage within 120 days of purchase, which you can do in minutes. The Platinum Elite features smooth rolling, replaceable wheels, as well as solid and comfortable telescoping handles, and a hard-wearing nylon exterior propped up by a solid internal chassis. Instead of chasing the smart bag moment, Travelpro added an exterior pocket with a USB pass-through extension that lets you insert your own battery pack for charging your phone. And weighing less than 8 pounds when empty, the Platinum Elite is dead in the center of average weight for bags this size. Number 2. Samsonite Freeform. Carry-on spinner, the Samsonite Freeform. Hardside spinner was a clear winner as a lightweight, durable, expandable carry-on. We've now tested this bag twice in our lab, recently retesting it to make sure we still loved it as much as we did 2 years ago when we first tried it out. Exceeding expectations during both lab tests, and when we took it out for real-world testing too, we found that it's easy to maneuver on 2 or 4 wheels and rolls smoothly on various surfaces, including carpet, hard flooring, and over curbs. We also like that the aluminum telescoping handle extends and locks with the push of a button. This all-star suitcase has various pockets within the main compartment, and it expands a couple of inches when you need extra space. We were able to pack enough clothes for a 4-day trip, including 2 pairs of shoes, multiple jackets, and 2 toiletry bags. No expansion needed. And while it does have a separator to keep your shoes away from your clean clothes, we wish this carry-on had a zippered section or removable bag for dirty laundry, though your favorite travel pouch would do the trick. Number 3. Travelpro Maxlite 521. Carry-on spinner. Some companies have tried to shave off a few pounds from their standard luggage designs to make so-called ultra-light luggage. The Travelpro Maxlite 521-inch carry-on spinner is the best of these bags we've seen, and it comes with the pedigree of our top pick, but not quite as strong a warranty. The Maxlite 5 is just over 2 pounds lighter than our top pick. That's the weight of 2 or 3 pairs of jeans. It's not a huge difference, but if you have trouble lifting luggage over your head and prefer an easier-to-manage suitcase, the Maxlite 5 may be your choice. This bag is also the best one we've found under $200, with almost all the benefits of luggage nearly twice the price. Number 4. Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential 22. Carry-on Expandable Spinner. For the more frequent flyer who is willing to invest in a higher quality bag, we recommend the Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential Carry-On. Every detail of this bag, from the zippers to the wheels to the wrinkle-resistant suit compartment, is made to the highest standards, and it has a higher proportion of usable space than any other spinner bag we tested. Briggs & Riley boosts this extra capacity with a ratcheting compression system that easily presses an entire extra outfit, if not more, into the same external dimensions as most other carry-ons. It's simple, impressive, and unmatched by any other brand's compression system. The expandable spinner version is also the only spinner luggage model we tested with a built-in garment folder, which helps shirts and pants stay wrinkle-free if you pack them well. If things go awry, Briggs & Riley has a catalog of replaceable parts and a global network of repair centers, as well as a reliable lifetime warranty covering repairs for airline damage. Number 5. Delsey Chatelet Air 2.0 21-inch spinner. If luggage aesthetic is a top priority, Delsey's Chatelet Air 2.0 might be your best bet. Inspired by traditional Parisian architecture with unique lines, Contrast stitching, and a vintage appeal. This suitcase is a sight for sore eyes. Sleek design aside, it's exceptionally functional. There's a fully zippered compartment on one side and compression straps on the other, plus pockets throughout, and even a handy USB port. What's more, the zippers open and close smoothly, and it glides effortlessly with the 4 spinner wheels on carpet, hard floors, and even stone pavers. It's durable too, sustaining no visible damage after 3 months of use, including 2 international flights in which the bag was checked. This bag is a standard carry-on size, and we were able to fit everything on our packing list. However, it's probably best for short trips, as there wasn't really any room to spare when we finished. Number 6. Paravel Aviator Carry-On Plus. For highly organized travelers that want to fit a lot in a carry-on, we recommend the Paravel Aviator. After regularly traveling with the bag for 6 months, we really love the exceptional capacity and organizational features. Even though it's not expandable, the built-in compression board makes it easy to fit everything into the zippered compartments. It also comes with a removable laundry bag for dirty clothes, inspired by retro luggage with a modern twist. This classy carry-on is gorgeous. Not only that, but the durable polycarbonate exterior feels sturdy and sustained just a few minor scuffs during our tests. It's super easy to maneuver too. Although the Paravel Aviator is somewhat steep in price, we think it's a worthwhile investment for those in the market for a high-quality suitcase. While updating your luggage collection, lovers of vintage-inspired design and organization should also consider a train case. Number 7. Travelpro Platinum Elite-Softside Expandable Spinner Wheel Luggage. In the process of testing for this guide, I spent hours in airport lounges cataloging the bags used by frequent travelers, and no bag was more represented than the Travelpro Platinum Elite. When I eventually tested it myself, it was easy to see why Travelpro is well regarded among serious travelers and airline crew. The sleek-looking, high-density nylon fabric is durable and stain-resistant and has not torn or ripped in the time I've used it. Leather detailing not only adds a sophisticated look, but also makes the top lifting handle extremely comfortable. With an expansion option of 2 full inches, this bag holds a ton. There are 3 front pockets of varying sizes, including one that can hold a laptop. The main compartment has the standard layout of a soft side bag, with 1 deep side and a smaller zipper compartment on the other side. Large chrome zippers are easy to maneuver, and the 4 large wheels make this bag one of the easiest to wheel on every surface, including carpet. The adjustable handle is very sturdy and has a contoured grip, making it extra comfortable. Number 8. Briggs & Riley 22-inch spinner. The bag is plenty spacious without the expander as well, and we were able to fit our full packing list with room to spare during testing. The bag has 1 large compartment inside that is pretty deep and becomes large enough to fit bulky items like boots once expanded. The top of the bag has a small compartment with 2 mesh pockets for storage, and there is a compression pad inside to pack down clothes. There is also a pouch on the back exterior of the bag that can store a power bank and a small electronic device for charging on the go. The carry-on rolled smoothly on various terrains when we wheeled it from carpet to concrete and through our obstacle course. The hard side shell seems quite durable and didn't dent after we hit it multiple times with a metal baseball bat, although it did scratch on the bottom when going over a concrete curb during testing. Overall, we think it's a sturdy bag that has plenty of space for overpackers.